Welcome to our channel. Today, we are setting sail through time to explore the fascinating history of shipping. From ancient vessels to modern megaships, shipping has been the backbone of global trade and connectivity. So, hop aboard as we embark on this historical voyage. Our journey begins in the ancient world, around 3000 BC, with the earliest known ships of Mesopotamia. These simple wooden boats sailed along the Tigris and Euphrates, transporting goods. Soon after, the Egyptians developed their famous reed boats, and later, wooden ships equipped with sails to travel the Nile and the Mediterranean. By 1200 BCE, the Phoenicians emerged as master seafarers. Their durable, innovative ships allowed them to dominate Mediterranean trade routes, exchanging goods like timber, glass, and precious metals. The Phoenicians helped lay the foundations for international commerce as we know it. Shipping took on new dimensions during the Middle Ages, especially with the Vikings. Their longships, famous for speed and agility, took them as far as North America, proving that shipping was essential not just for trade but also for exploration and expansion. The age of exploration in the 15th and 16th centuries brought revolutionary advances in shipbuilding. Vessels like the caravel and galleon enabled explorers like Christopher Columbus and Ferdinand Magellan to cross oceans and discover new worlds. This era marked the birth of the global maritime network. Fast forward to the 19th century, and the advent of steam power revolutionized shipping. Steamships like the SS Great Britain could travel farther, faster, and more reliably than sail-powered vessels, setting the stage for the modern shipping industry. Post-World War II, the shipping industry experienced another breakthrough, containerization. In the 1950s, Malcolm McLean's idea of standardized cargo containers transformed global trade. Container ships made cargo transport faster, cheaper, and more efficient, enabling today's massive global supply chains. Today, shipping continues to innovate. From ultra-large container vessels to automated port facilities and eco-friendly ships, the industry is adapting to the demands of modern trade while tackling environmental challenges. These technological advancements are helping shape the future of maritime logistics. And there you have it, a brief history of shipping, from its humble beginnings to the global industry we depend on today. Shipping has played a crucial role in shaping the world, connecting continents, and driving economies forward. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on history, technology, and beyond. Let us know in the comments if there are topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy sailing!